Welcome to SharePlant Rentals. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to set up your tags in your owner dashboard. Navigate to your dashboard from the drop-down menu. Once in your dashboard, select More options on the left and then Tags from the menu. Tags are keywords that are relevant to the product. They are words that someone might search on the website to find certain products. Select which product you want to add tags to. Click into the box and begin with the keywords. We would recommend using tags such as brand name, category, descriptors, and general spec. Once you are happy with your tags in your dashboard, you can go onto the website and check. On the home page, there is a search bar with 3 sections. In the keyword section, search for one of your tags. As shown here, your product should be one of the results. You have now completed your tag setup. For more guidance and next steps, please visit our website or YouTube channel.